OVI, the Office for Visual Interaction, grazed the walls of the Curtis R. Prime Experimental Media and Performing Arts Center using the line 2.0, very high output with a 5-degree beam spread. Grazing this wall in this Performing Arts Center was a little on the tricky side because the ambient illumination in this space is rather high. So very focused beam spread was required in order to emphasize the textural quality of this wall, which was about 25 feet. As you can see, the textural quality is absolutely emphasized when compared to the ambient light in the space. In 2006, Randy Saavedra of Saavedra Lighting Design was commissioned to redesign the lighting for the U.S. Customs House in New York City, New York. The original design utilized many different conventional light sources like metal halide, high-pressure sodium, and fluorescent. And as you can see by the before pictures, the building looks somewhat haunted because of the exaggerated shadows. The 2.0 was used to basically highlight all the architectural features in this building. You can see that in each window portal, the 2.0 is set just underneath the portico and it grazes up on all 3 floors. Then above the cornice molding, you can see that the 2.0 is continuously illuminating the spandrel above the cornice. And then each one of those figures is also additionally highlighted with a segment of the 2.0 to feature these sculptural figures. Additionally, in the entrance, the 2.0 is used to backlight the columns, and then the asymmetric distribution is then used to illuminate the barrel vault. This new lighting design saved approximately $6,600 in the building's annual energy bill, which is equivalent to 15.5 tons of carbon dioxide emissions. The Harbor Street Bridge was designed by Siska Hennessy and is located in San Diego, California. Here, the Line 2.0 was utilized to graze the pedestrian walkway on both the top and underside of the bridge to emphasize the architecture and highlight the popular walkway that connects the Padres ballpark to the convention center. Lighting consultants Gabriel McKenna designed the lighting for this Pretoria Bridge, which is located in Ottawa, Canada. The Line Series 2.0, very high output with a 5-degree beam spread, was utilized to emphasize the textural quality of not only the stone wall, but also the concrete elements underneath the bridge railing. Bank of America in New York City, New York is a LEED Platinum project. Lighting consultants Klein Bettridge Bernstein utilized the 2.0 for this exterior lighting effect, which was actually executed on the interior side of the glazed curtain wall. A cove lighting detail was constructed to house the 2.0 to graze not only the vertical surface of the cove, but also the cantilevered overhang, which was approximately 3 or 4 feet. So if you stood back from the building, you could see this horizontal banding that highlights this facet of the building. And then if you stood directly below the building, you could look up and see that same effect. This facet of the building faces Bryant Park and adds another dimension to the New York City skyline. The Vera Wang flagship store, located in Soho, New York City, New York, was designed by Tillotson Design Associates. The 2.0 is used to graze walls, backlight glass, and provide general illumination for this very high-end retail establishment. The designer's intent was to conceal all light fixtures, so the emphasis was placed on the models and the clothing.